1 year ago, we were told by the Pi Network team that you can actually lock up some portion of your Pi in order to move onto the mainnet. Well, in this video, I bring you good news. You can now move that locked up Pi onto your available balance. But bear in mind, you can only move it if you have only locked up for the last 365 days. If you're among those that have locked up your Pi for 3 years or 2 years, you have to wait until the expiration date. So if you're interested in knowing step by step how you can move your locked Pi onto your available balance, stay tuned to this video, watch to the end, and don't miss any steps. The first thing you need to do is to open your Pi Network browser. Once you do that, click on the wallet icon. On the next page, you now need to provide your wallet passphrase. Remember, the passphrase is so important that you have to keep it safe. Once you have inserted the wallet passphrase, it is going to load up like this. Once your wallet loads up like this, to confirm how much you have locked up, just simply scroll down and you will see the information at the bottom. Once you click on that, it will display a transaction detail card. To move the Mine Pi, simply click on Migrations. When you click on Migration, in the Migration tab, you will find a button called Move next to the amount of Mine Pi you have locked up initially. Click on the Move button and then you will get a notification that says, after confirmation, this amount will be moved to your available balance. Once you are okay with this, simply click Confirm. After hitting the confirmation button, you will get another notification that says you have successfully moved the amount to your available balance. Once you dismiss this notification, the wallet will automatically refresh and then display your available balance, having moved the locked up Pi. Now, to confirm this, you can easily look through your history and see there is a record of the available Pi being moved. Next confirmation you can do is to go to your Migrations tab. Once you click on it, you'll find that the Migrations tab is empty. If you found value in this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share so that you can help others who actually need this information. If you're new to this channel, also consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have subscribed already, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get alerts at each time I release new videos like this. Until my next video, keep mining.